In this video, we'll show how to generate DAB signals from ETI files with the IZT S1010 Signal Generator. Firstly, we configure the center frequency of the RF output. Now we change to the signals configuration. For the input format, we choose DAB ETI NI. We'll directly replay the ETI files from the hard drive, so select the input file under hard disk. We'll repeat the same steps for a second ETI input file. Select hard disk as the source and select a DAB channel. Finally, set the output power of the signal to an appropriate level. Now we can activate the RF1 output and start streaming the signals. We can see the output spectrum if it is activated in the global menu. To check the result, there are two receivers in this setup, a domestic receiver and a PC with the IZT DAB multimedia player. Thank you very much for watching. In case of any questions, please visit our website or send us an email.